Hello YouTube, the urologist spoke about the dangers of frequent visits to the toilet. We all know from childhood that if you want to go to the toilet, then it is harmful to endure. But recent studies by scientists have shown quite the opposite picture. Alicia Jeffrey Thomas, a urologist from the USA, is sure that walking a little more than 4 times a day is harmful. What is the reason for this statement and what are the risks for those who regularly violate this rule? Not a bowl 4 times. It is believed that it is quite normal for an adult to write 4 to 8 times a day. The desire to urinate occurs when the bladder is full and its walls are stretched. This process sends a signal to the brain, which gives the command to go to the toilet. Dr. Jeffrey Thomas believes that you should not respond to the very first urge, as this is harmful. The signal may come when the bladder is only half full. If you immediately go to write, then this can lead to the fact that the signal will be sent too early. This will also happen at night, which is not at all beneficial for the body. Alicia Jeffrey Thomas has this to say about it: nocturnal urges should not be normal. This is a symptom of kidney dysfunction. If you constantly get up to go to the toilet, you, firstly, have problems sleeping, secondly, there is a risk of developing depression, and thirdly, there is a higher chance of falling and getting injured. The urologist also notes that the ideal interval between urination is 3–4 hours. This is exactly the period of time during which the bladder has time to fill. And for those who like to often run to the toilet, the urologist recommends training willpower and just enduring. Jeffrey Thomas believes that the bladder can be trained and then there will be no problems with frequent urges and night trips to the toilet. The urge to go to the toilet is like a rush of waves. Our goal is to ride this wave of feeling overwhelmed and not give up when everything seems to be gone. If you give up now, the body will not learn to resist and will give signals at night. Do not overdo it. Talking about the benefits of patience, the urologist nevertheless warns against extremes. She says that you should not go to the toilet less than twice a day. If a person learns to control his bladder, then he will completely control the situation. The doctor believes that we should lead this insidious body, and not he us. Alicia Jeffrey Thomas also warned those who like to pee in the shower. According to her, such behavior not only violates sanitary standards, but also leads to the consolidation of wrong associations. In the future, the brain, having heard the sound of pouring water, will give a signal, now it's possible. This will lead not only to discomfort, but even to urinary incontinence. Apparently, we are not serious enough about urination and something urgently needs to be changed. By the way, did you know that once urine was a valuable resource and it was carefully collected by special workers? Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.